Celebrating with food and loved ones. We visualize the month of February with pictures of hearts, roses, and people displaying love and affection for one another. We go out to dinner eating various foods and most definitely chocolate, but how many of us stop to think that February is National Heart Healthy Month? Foods for your healthy heart. Magnesium has been shown to be one of the most important minerals for your heart as it affects the ability of blood vessels to dilate and relax. Potassium is another mineral that can positively assist your heart in maintaining its health. Did you know? Heart disease and strokes are among the top 5 leading causes of death for women, AV Hospital. A quick reference for you. Bottom line. Potassium and magnesium are 2 of the most important minerals for your heart. Combining them together seems to have a synergistic additive effect on controlling blood pressure. One caveat: before increasing the amount of these minerals, especially if you have a history of kidney problems, consult your physician. Potassium: cantaloupe, 2x the amount in bananas, squashes, avocados, tomatoes, figs, oatmeal, blueberries, red bell pepper, oranges, salmon, tuna, crab, dark chocolate, cocoa, fresh raw coconut meat, sweet potato, cherries, pistachio, plums, eggs, macadamia, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts, pumpkin seeds, beet greens, broccoli, blackstrap molasses, halibut, chicken breast, apricots, raisin, dried uncooked peaches, magnesium: lentils, cashews, almonds, spinach, Swiss chard, oatmeal, wheat germ, brown rice, blueberries, papaya, dark chocolate, cocoa, carrots, sweet potato, pistachio, dark green vegetables, eggs, macadamia, Brazil nuts, pumpkin seeds. Suggested recipe: ingredients by date. Show your family some love all month long with heart-healthy dishes. The amount of potassium and magnesium varies by ingredient and how prepared, which may require combining several ingredients to get the maximum mineral amount as well as maximum absorption. National Day Off Heart Healthy Ingredients: 1 baked Alaska dark chocolate, cocoa chips, eggs, coconut carrot cake, carrots, walnuts, coconut meat shredded, eggs. 4 homemade soup tomatoes, red bell peppers, lentils, dark green vegetables. 7 fettuccine alfredo vegetable pasta, shredded carrots, dark green vegetables. 9 cream cheese brownie dark chocolate, cocoa, pistachio. 10 peppermint patty dark chocolate. 11 plum pudding plum, brown rice, almond milk, coconut meat. 14 Valentine Day dark chocolate, cocoa. 16 almond, spinach. 18 crab stuffed flounder. And drink wine. Crab, spinach, red wine. 19 chocolate mint dark chocolate. 20 cherry pie cherry, egg. 22 cook a sweet potato, walnut. 23 banana bread banana, oatmeal. 24 tortilla chip vegetable chips. 26 pistachio, coconut, papaya. 27 Kahlua. Strawberry. Cream, strawberries, Kahlua. 28 chocolate souffle dark chocolate. Like facebook.com/Mama Vega Foods February 4th to February 10th to receive your free heart healthy recipe. About Drive, Honorable, Charmony M. Vega aka Mama Vega. Drive, Honorable, Charmony M. Vega is founder, president and CEO of Mama Vega Enterprises, www.mamavega.com. She is also a philanthropist, published author, medical nutrition therapist, holder of a Master of Science degree in Special Education and an honorary Doctor of Humanities. Drive Vega believes in giving back to the communities where Mama Vega products are sold. For every Mama Vega product purchased, a percentage of each sale is donated to those communities' nonprofit organizations. Legal disclaimer. While Mama Vega Enterprises strives to make the information as timely and accurate as possible, all information is subject to change without notice. Mama Vega does not warrant or assume any legal liability and makes no claims, promises, or guarantees about the accuracy, completeness, usefulness, or adequacy of the contents presented, and expressly disclaims liability for errors and omissions herein. You are responsible for your own actions should you use any information found in this article. If you suspect you may have an ailment or illness that may require medical attention, you are encouraged to consult with a licensed physician without delay. As a functional nutritionist, Mama Vega primarily educates and motivates clients to assume more personal responsibility for their health by adopting a healthy attitude, lifestyle, and diet.